Good day guys, welcome back to the key tutorial class. In today's class we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of surds. Now in our last class we looked at the introduction to surds, where we saw how to find the root of numbers, breaking it down to rational and irrational numbers. That's real numbers multiplying irrational numbers like that. We should see some more examples here. Okay, so for today's class, let's see this question. We have root 80 minus root 20 plus 3 root 5, and we have number 2 and number 3 questions also. How do we solve this? Just like in our last class, we'll solve this, then we'll add solutions of same roots. So if I have root 2, I'll add root 2 to root 2. If I have root 3, I'll add root 3 to root 3. If I have root 5, I'll add root 5 to root 5. Root 7 to root 7, root 11 to 11, and so on and so forth. Okay, so given that what we have root 80 minus root 20 plus 3 root 5. Okay, so let's repeat the question here. Minus root 20 plus 3 root 5. Okay, now in this case, root 80, as we got in our, okay, we've not gotten this before. Root 80 is something as what? 40 times 2, have you? But the best expression is going to be what? 16 times 5. Okay, where 16 times 5 is 80. Root 20 is something as what? 4 times 5. Okay. Plus 3 times root 5. Okay, that's 3 root 5. So in which case, what do we have? This becomes what? Root 16 times root 5, have you? Minus root 4 times root 5 plus what? 3 root 5. This does not have an expression because 5 cannot be split into 2. And 5 itself with the square root is an irrational number. So in this case, what do we have? This becomes what? 4 root 5 because square root of 16 is 4 minus 2 root 5 because square root of 4 is 2 plus 3 root 5. Now in this case, they are all having root 5. It means I can add this together. So what does it become? It becomes what? 4 minus 2 plus 3. That's what? 5. Answer is what? 5 root 5. That's all for number 1. For number 2, we have what? Root 75 minus root 48 minus root 3. Root 75 minus root 48 minus root 3. In which case, what do we have here? Root 75 is the same thing as what? 25 times 5, have you? That's 25 times 5 minus root 16 times 3 minus this remains as what? Root 3. Now in which case this becomes what? 5 root 5. Why? Because square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 5 is t square root of 5. Minus this becomes what? 4 root 3 minus root 3. Now this is 25 times 3, sorry. 25 times 3 is 75. So they are all in root 3 now. They are all in root 3. Now in which case what happens? This becomes 5 minus 4 minus 1. Because in this case we have it as what? 1 root 3. Okay. With the minus becomes minus 1 root 3 or minus root 3. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So my answer here is 0 root 3 or 0. Okay, so number 3. We have what? Root 32 plus root 20 minus 3 root 24 plus what? Root 18. Okay. Now in which case what do we have? Root 32 is the same thing as what? 16 times 2 gives us 32. This is the same thing as what? Plus root what? 5 times 4 minus what? 3 root 24 is the same thing as what? 6 times 4 is 24, have you? That's the best we can use. Plus what? Root 18 is what? 9 times 2. Okay. Now for that case, for this case, this is the same thing as what? 4 root 2, have you? Plus 2 root 5, because root 4 is 2, times root 5 minus 3 times, this is the same thing as root 6 times root 4, abi, plus this is what, 3 root 2 automatically. This becomes what, 4 root 2 plus what, 2 root 5 minus 3 times root 4 is what, 2. We have root 6 plus what, 3 root 2. And most likely finally, or second to the last, we have this as what, 4 root 2 plus what, 2 root 5 minus 3 times 3 is 6, that's 6 root 6 plus what, 3 root 2. Now, which of them has similar roots? Only this and this, which now becomes what, 7 root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus 6 root 6, and that's all for